Hi everyone, I'm Jordan. Today we'll kick off the administrator course where you'll learn how to completely set up and customize your system as an administrator. To start, let's talk about pages. You may remember from previous courses that pages are used to display the individual data of each record. Let's do a quick recap about pages and records. By opening a contact record, such as Ben Waxler, we'll open his individual page. We can follow the same process to open the pages of any object in the system. Let's open the Deals page by first clicking on Deals and then selecting an individual record, such as customization for Sam Steaks. Each page is built from components. In this page, we can find components which help us work with deal records. For example, on the left is the Form component, which lets us see and edit all of this deal's fields, such as the stage it's in or the related contact. On the right, we can use the Stream component to track and create activities, such as scheduling meetings or viewing uploaded documents. At the top of the page is the Record Header component, which shows us the name of the record and the object it belongs to. It also lets us navigate between records, add related records, and more. You can use these components, as well as many others, to work with your records. By customizing the different pages in your system, you can make sure each page displays the relevant components. You can then choose where each component will be on each page and even set conditions to control when they'll be displayed. To start, let's open the page editor. This can be done through any individual records page. For example, if we click the three-dot menu in our current deal record page and then select the Edit Page option, we can open the page editor for the Deals page. Changes made here will change the page for all the deal records which belong to this page. This method can be used for any object, so that by going to the Accounts object and opening a random record, we can use the Edit Page option to open the Accounts page editor instead. Let's start using the page editor. At the top, you'll find the name of the current page. For example, this Accounts page is called Accounts Sales Team because this page is for the Accounts object and is specifically assigned to and used by the sales team. You'll learn more about assigning pages in a later lesson. In the middle section of the editor, you'll find your current page where you can see and arrange your components. For example, at the top of this page is the Record Header component, and on the left we can find the Form component. These components are draggable, so that you can choose where they'll be displayed. If we instead wanted the Form component to be displayed on the right of the page, we can simply drag it there. By clicking on a component, we'll open its settings on the right, which we'll discuss in detail in a later lesson. On the left of the editor is a list of components. By dragging them into your page, you can add them anywhere you'd like. For example, let's add the Highlights component to the left of our page. Don't worry, later on we'll learn how to use the different components. You can also remove existing components at any time by clicking the X. By removing a component, you'll also delete its settings. In this way, you can choose exactly which components will be displayed in your page and where. The next lessons will go over each individual component and explain when to use them and how to set them up.